Nagugutom na ako, walang kanin dito. Bakit? Akin din, akin din. Pero kapag nasa ibang bansa, camera mo na. Parang nasa ibang bansa, hindi mo na pinatasan yung camera. Ba't naman yan? Thank you. Pili lang na content creator nandito. Hindi lahat. Wala pa sila kasi.
Capture all the excitement and share your pics and stories with us using our hashtags XFake, XFakePH, X is everything, and be yourself. May we invite everyone to make their way to the floor to get a better view. Our program begins in 10 minutes.
Pwede pa umupo muna tayo sa kanila. 15 minutes pa lang ako. Sabi nila 15 minutes pa mag-start na. May 10 minutes ako. 10 minutes mag-start na rin. Malapit na tatanggalin. Sa'yo yan? Anong camera yan? DJI. Ay, sorry. Bakit? Wala. Malinaw. Wala pa, di ba nga nagsa-start eh? Di pa nagsisimula. Madami pang lang, marami pang wala dito. Nandito si Kirsten. Ay, sorry. Baka na matapos mo! Wala bang ano? Kanina pa ako, sinlago ka. Ating Christine Sabado. Naglag. Naglag kanin. Live. Gano'n kayo ng kanin kaysa kukumang tapos. Wala, Sean! Uy, Sean! Masaya kami pag may pagkain. Wala pa kami pagkain. Ayan na. Ay, dito na sila. Ang baba ng kambal ko! Ang bugi ng kambal ko!
live? Saan ka nakalaya natin sa sabihin mo? As a content creator, naka-live lahat. Video mo. Teka lang. As a content creator, kailangan mag-live. Sabi niya, content creator! Yes! Nakakalahat! Hi, Gail! I miss you! Magbagsak kayo ng kahit anong gift! Magbagsak kayo! Nakakagulat ka naman. Kahit anong gift! Corgi or... Naka-live ako sa Facebook! Ano bang magandang ano? Tatlong contents tapos one are live. Ilan? Tatlong contents. Train! Hindi ko sure. Train! Bakit? Hindi pwede mag-post na nasa Sakura Train! Ayun ang gusto ko. Hindi ito gagawa. Ano daw? Naka-live ako sa Facebook.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the future. Engineered by X. Our program begins in 5 minutes. May we invite everyone to make their way to the floor to get a better view. Thank you.
Sakura Train. Hindi ko pa naranasan yun.
Naruto Sasuke. Sakura.
Nagbababagsak ako ng Sakura Train.
Sakura, Naruto, Sasuke. Ako na mapagod sa'yo. Kasi Sakura?
Sakura Train. Nagbababagsak ako.
Naruto? Sino Naruto?
Ako si Sasuke.
Ako si Kakashi. Hi, Helen. Andun si Bello. Hi, Ate Bel. Hello, Ate. Wow. Hindi yung gani. Ang lasa.
Ganda.
Kaya nga sabi mo kay Mama ba? Bakit sila pwede kumaliwan? Ay, naman sila.
Ladies and gentlemen, our program will feature laser nets, strobe lights, and pyrotechnics. Kindly protect your mobile phones
Sabi mo
and refrain
oo nga.
from
Ay,
aiming your
hindi ko alam kasi.
cameras directly at the laser lights to prevent damage.
Naka-live sila sa ano, Facebook. 1 hour munang mag-1 hour live sa...
Light sa Corgi.
Thank you very much.
Wala pa. Oo, di ba? Kung Manila. Wala ba si Ashley? Sally? Wala si Ashley?
Ayaw niya sumama. Asa na yung gift? Ang tagal naman. Walang hulihan ba?
prevent damage or malfunction.
Engitero.
Persons with light sensitivity
Engitera. Engitera.
Ah,
talaga?
Yan, may timer. Sino may extra phone dyan?
Sige nga. Jardine. Sige nga. Oh, wala.
Di ba nag-i-start pa
Ay, oo.
Yan, ganyan yung ano. Sabi talaga yun. Alam mo na dito ba? Grabe yung
Ay, paano tayo magaganyan-ganyan? Yan na. Pag video pigi, naka-live po. Content. Pag video ba?
Mababaan ko.
Gaga ka cellphone ko yung kinuha mo. Ulo ka talaga. Kinuha nila ito yung cellphone ko. Guys, akala ko cellphone ko yung nakuha ko. Gagi ka. Tumakbo pa talaga ako. Sabi ko, ay, cellphone ko yan. Gago. Sumigaw talaga ako. Hindi ko narinig. Andito siya. Wala na tayong patungan.
Kunin lang ako.
Wala ka lang patungan. Wait lang.
Hi guys. Hi kayo kay Miss Barbie Imperial. Hi kayo. Sana mag-guest si Miss Barbie sa ano. Nakakasagpula.
Ganda ni Barbie Imperial. Bakit ano meron sa kanya? Parang siya si Sai.
Ladies and gentlemen, the A-Team!
Akala ko power impact.
And now, please welcome your host for tonight, Tim Yan!
Everybody, let's give it up once more for the A-Team. You know, since 2011, the A-Team has been dominating competitions from all over the world, and they perform with the best talents in entertainment, like Gary Valenciano, Sarah G, and K-pop superstar Jessie. Composed of with some of the finest choreographers and performers of this generation, the A-Team is the gold standard in dance. So we're honored to have them join us tonight as we welcome a stellar collection of products that seamlessly blend in with innovation with fashion. Tonight, we want to introduce all of you to X is set to elevate your vaping experience with features and designs that fit every lifestyle choice. With X, you can be truly yourself and express your individuality with elegance. So, guys, let's have a look at how X is changing the game and raising the standard for vapes.
Welcome to a new era of vape.
Wala kayo.
Where innovation meets fashion. As health awareness rises, vapes are gaining global popularity as a less harmful alternative. Advanced technology makes nicotine intake safer and better regulated, driving rapid market growth.
Ayan yung ano
Young
nila.
consumers now see vapes as trendy lifestyle
Yan
choices,
yung ano nila, Papi.
evolving into modern fashion accessories that are elegant and stylish.
Team and brand.
Control sa nikotin, low burning.
The Philippines is one of the fastest growing vape markets, despite some emerging issues. X-Vape aims to be the top vape brand in the Philippines. We understand the unique needs of Filipino consumers and are dedicated to offering the safest, highest quality, and legally compliant vapes. Our journey to the top starts with our product. X-Vape R&D team includes global experts in the USA, UK, Japan, and more. We cooperate with one of the top manufacturers who produces for renowned brands like Apple to ensure our products are crafted with precision and high standards. Using leading international technology, we guarantee that every X-Vape product meets the highest quality and safety standards.
Manager.
We fully comply with Philippine laws and obtain all necessary certifications. We are more than just a brand. We are a vision. We are the safest. We are the real deal.
Ayoko na.
We are forward thinkers.
Mag-video ka pa.
We are committed. We stand by you.
Guys, mag-end na ako maya-maya. Hindi kayo nagda-drop.
X is everything.
State Philippines, Mr. Eric T.
Crazy. First of all, I don't know how to top that 18 performance. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the X Launch. My name is Eric D, CEO of X-Vape. I'm here today with you guys, both old friends and new. I'd like to acknowledge my family, my brother-in-law who flew in from overseas. Thank you for coming here. Together, we will witness the launch of X-Vape. As some of you know, I come from a very different industry, but today I wear a different hat. I am very proud to say that building X-Vape is one that's close to my heart. Because guys, I think we have another game changer on our hands. X-Vape will change the industry. We all know that vapes are supposed to be a better alternative to traditional tobacco. But because of the substandard and illegal vapes that are entering the country, it is doing more harm than good. On top of that, the government tax revenues aren't collected and substandard products contribute to the emergence of youth smoking. We've done our research. We know our industry's playing with illicit vapes. We at X-Vape are here to change that. Because at X-Vape, compliance is at our core. Legal compliance is at the heart of everything that we do at X-Vape. From the DTI registration, to the BOC accreditation, and BIR tax stamps, we strive to meet the highest standard in every step of the way. Our business practices
Ang hirap ng isa lang ang cellphone.
accordance with the requirements of relevant laws and regulations. In importation, packaging, distribution, marketing, sales, and communication. I'm proud to say today that X-Vape sets the benchmark on compliance in the country. X-Vape will change the definition of quality. Even at Action, I wanted to make sure that our represent the highest quality standard in the market today. We employed top-notch industry experts, engineers, technicians from over 10 countries globally to create this world-class product. We have built X-Vape laboratories where all materials are strictly controlled and monitored to ensure that they meet the highest standards of health and safety. All materials entering the production line must go a comprehensive testing on chemical composition, purity, and toxicology. The finished product then goes through a rigorous control at various junctures with physical, chemical, biological testing to ensure safety and reliability. Today, I stand before you confident to announce that X-Vape product represents the highest quality standard in the industry. X-Vape will define fashion. Our brand is X. We kept it undefined because we wanted to keep it way beyond your imagination. Wherever you are, the X-Vape that you can design that you can relate to. Many of our products come from designers from North America, Japan, and across the globe. They bring in advanced design concepts, modern avant-garde art style, study of ergonomics, and trend aesthetics. I believe that our vapes will be the most eye-catching product in the market today. X-Vape will redefine the vaping experience. We all know that vapes should not only look good, but feel good as well. We invested heavily in technology and R&D. As of last year, our manufacturing partners have over 6,000 global patents. 1,500. So, with that said, would you like to unveil the collection for everyone tonight?
I would love to, and I'm super honored to introduce you all to the all-new X-Bake collection.
Every single one has been thoughtfully crafted to meet your every desire and dream.
I'm ready to hear more about this entire series. Eric, would you mind walking us through variants of this groundbreaking collection?
Of course. And let's start off by looking at our first variant, the X1.
Drop na, dali.
Guys, this is the X1. We are now showing this off today. This is my personal favorite. Nice and sleek, very easy on the hand, and it's also best thing that we've ever produced so far.
Okay, so Eric, I'm gonna pick up where Ivana left off. Please tell us about this beautiful, beautiful device. Walk us through it and tell us what makes the X1 unique.
The X1 is an extra starter to our collection. It's super easy to use and guaranteed enhanced vapor and lots of flavor since we feature a mesh oil.
Ang ganda ng tignan, no? I love how streamlined it is. And the colors are really eye-catching. You have 8 colors to choose from.
Yes, it's transparent upper shell. It's discreet, sleek, feels well in the hand while staying trendy and traditional. And you get all this for only 550 pesos.
Wow! Okay guys, how about we see more of the collection? Would you like to intro the next one? Please do it.
Certainly. So everyone, I'm proud to share another exciting variant, the X3.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the X3!
Eric, the X3 feels like it's the dressier or mas fashionista sibling of the X1.
Yes, the X3 has a few more features to add a personalized experience. It's got a transparent oil tank, so no more guesswork on how much e-liquid you have.
Also, there's a lot of nice colors. You still have 8 colors. Kita mo talaga yung liquid kung paubos na siya.
We love the color drones that's featured in the X3. Those touches of color adds a little bit of fun in the product. There's even more ways for you to get more flavor from every puff. Combines fashion and function. You'll get this for only 699 pesos.
Wait lang, hawakan mo na sa
Eric, how about the next product in the X-Beat line?
So I'll let Ivana introduce this since like she has been keen to liking this product.
Of course, everyone, let's get a closer look at the X5.
Sarap na. Ay, may egg. Walang egg. 699. Magandang vape, may charger. Diretso. May charger na? Diretso. Sasaksak mo na lang. Eh di, ang laki nun.
There you have it! The glossy and sleek X5.
Glad you noticed that, Tim. Our X5 series features gorgeous curved design, metallic finish that levels up in sophistication. Instantly, the hand feel makes it very easy for you for key information.
Hindi, sabi ko ba pencil natin yung paper. Bawal! Sa Facebook, sa ibang platform, di ba?
Just your vaping preferences.
That's right. At the bottom, with a flick of a switch, it allows you to craft your own experience that suits you.
O sige, na-drop na bang nakatingin pa ako?
Only 730 pesos.
Wow, now Eric, you know, we're really excited to hear yet about another gem in the collection. I hear this next product is a great accessory for a night out.
Of course it is. It's not the last one, but let me allow to introduce to you the X6.
Ang dami ah. Ay, madaming klase. Diba? Ay, maganda to. Maganda to. Masubad pa siya sa akin. Hindi ko nakita. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko nakita.
Wow, you can totally light up the night with the X6. Eric,
Isa pa.
tell us more about this gorgeous
Train.
You absolutely nailed it, Tim. When you said that it lights up
Train.
the X6, this line, elegant, and clear pop.
Ano lang, sakto lang siya. Parang regular vape lang din. Train.
I saw it kanina.
Binibili natin ang black. Yung mga ano lang. Hindi. Yung mga disco talaga.
I'm sure marami ng features ang X6.
Of course, our X6 is also packed with cutting-edge tech that makes all your vaping experience more pleasurable. And you can get all this for only 330 pesos for the device and 500 pesos for the pods.
Wow, what an amazing set of gadgets for X-Vape.
And you can check out the entire X6.
Sana magkaroon tayo ng sana magkaroon tayo lahat ng iba't ibang klase, no?
Awesome vape
Para may
flavors.
promote natin.
I'm sure
Ano,
you'll find a
papalitan na lang
variant
siya sa
and flavor
loob.
that suits you.
You know, guys, X-Vape is really out to change the game when it comes to vapes. Pioneering products that
Train daw, train. Sige na. Nakikita ko.
How and where can
Sige
you
na.
find the X collection? Kasi I'm sure a lot of us want to know.
Okay, Eric, you want to give us details on that?
Well, everything, the X1, X3, X5, and X6 will be available
Sana naman talaga yan.
from the zone.
Ganyan talaga guys. Kailangan ka. Parang ganito rin.
But
Design talaga tong damit. Or
We are launching 4 variants
Minsan
today.
nga lang
I
magganito.
want you to take a
Kasi,
sneak peek
ito ba?
at our
Pag
future
ikaw,
products.
comment tayo kasi ano. Galit. Ba't mo sinasakal? Hindi. Ba't mo sinasakal? Hindi. Yun na. Asan na ang train? Hi, Ben. Asan na ang train, ha? Maraming klase, no? Daming car yan.
Grabe naman yun, 93 kay Dias.
Saan? Ito, oh, yung 93 kay Raya. Ang dami, pating. Ay, ang ganda. Parang iPhone. Kaya nga. iPhone 6. Alang yun. Unique. Perfect. Oh, grabe naman. May likod. Tara, MRT. Gusto ko yung
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the
Tara,
XR
MRT.
series.
Wait lang, maghanap ako iba. Huwag ka muna mag-drop ng gifts, ha. Maghanap lang ako. Unique yun, no? Unique. Wait lang, maghanap ako.
Now, please follow us on all our socials to keep you updated on everything X-Ray.
Thank you so much, Eric, for that sneak peek. I'm sure lahat kami ay aabang talaga dyan sa XI series when it finally hits the stores.
There you have it, everyone. The all-new collection from X-Big. We have the X1, the X3, the X5, and the X6. Plus, of course, the highly anticipated XI series launching very, very soon. Guys, give a
O, sige na.
applause
Kahit ano.
behind X-Big. Eric.
Thank you, Tim. Thank you, Tim. Thank you, Ivana. We are lucky to have partners, such great partners in the cloud, current and future. Thank you for supporting and giving us your support.
Tricycle.
You know, Eric, why don't we celebrate
Travel with you.
amazing
Travel with you na lang.
photo opportunity? So let's welcome to the
O,
stage
motorcycle na lang.
from Lighters Galore, Puma, Green Puff, Planet Faith, the Smoking Joint, Central Maryland Distribution Inc., 7-Eleven, and Basic Fancy Distribution Inc. Please come on stage and join us.
Of course, we also want to invite the ex-Big sales team to please join us here for some pictures.
Okay, guys, please join us on stage. Robert John Reyes, Senior Sales Manager. We have Michael Marin, Senior Sales Manager. We have Mark Celera, Visayas Area Manager.
Akala ko
Mr.
may something,
Renuto
ano, like hindi na
Mindanao
ako heard yung
Area
medical
Manager. Ren Bautista,
O,
Calabarzon.
motorcycle na lang.
Ryan
Ate
Ibarra,
Christine, saan kayo?
South NCR Area Manager. We have Nico, Male
Kailangan mo
Police,
mag-live.
Central and North Luzon, North NCR
Wait
Area
lang.
Manager.
Ay!
We have
Harap
Mr.
lang pala. Wala ka
Joseph
pala.
Itoy, Key Caps Manager. Jen Hermosura, Key
Ayan.
Accounts Manager.
Rudy, isipin mo na lang, ako yung idol mo, si Faye.
Yeah, awesome.
Nilulu ka. Wait, dami nagsasabi ka, mukha ko daw yun. Fine art, diba? Hindi sa akin nang galing yun. Tapos na kayo? Tagal na. Taas na ako! Bye, guys.
Awesome, guys. Thanks, again. Once again, a big shout out to very special friends who have really helped make this launch a success. Please join us on stage and celebrate this moment with us.
Alam na. Ba't ganun yung hair extension ni Kristen? Hindi ko pala parehas. Pinopre niya. Red na mo.
We should have taken a selfie. Eric, we can take a selfie with everyone. Look, we have 100,000 people here celebrating XB. Okay, now, guys, again, to the people who just came on stage.
so much, Adana, for joining us tonight.
It's my pleasure. It is so nice to celebrate with everyone here. And of course, to support X-Babe.
You know, absolutely, Yvonne and Eric. You know, with a game-changing such a player such as X-Babe, we are entering a new era in vaping. One that promises innovation, and safety. And as we look forward to an exciting future, remember that with X, you have the power to take control and be anything you want to be. Everything you want and everything you desire is in one pioneering brand. X is everything.
Ako din! Hindi na, wala! Ayun din yung i-off yung light.
Ay, malapit na ako matapos. Malapit na.
Or isa-isa yung kaya siya.
Here we go.
Thank you. Ingat kayo. di ba? Nagugutom na ako, walang kanin. Ang siniserve nila mga biscuit.